How to fix WhatsApp message ringtone on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp message ringtone on Android phone. First, go to WhatsApp and then click these 3 points here and click settings. Now just scroll down. Here you need to find notifications, click on it, and here we'll find messages. Now click notification tone and then click settings, and here you can select a notification tone you want, and you can take it from your device. If you want, just click music on device, and here you can take it from your device, and that's it. Then just go back and it will be saved, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.